Hello and welcome to the Ponderosa Agriculture Department. The following slideshow is meant to be an introduction to our department here on the Ponderosa campus, one of the things that makes our high school unique. Our Ponderosa Agriculture Department was established in 1964. We currently have 285 students enrolled and 2.8 ag teachers. Our facilities include 3 agriculture classrooms, woodworking and metal welding shops, and a 1.5-acre school farm. These are our teachers and what they are currently teaching in the program. As a freshman coming into high school, or if you're already at Ponderosa and you'd like to join the agriculture department, there are 3 choices of classes to take in your first year: Introduction to Agriculture, Sustainable Agriculture Biology, or Introduction to Agriculture Mechanics. And you can see below that as soon as you start making decisions about which direction you want to go, we have more advanced classes so that you could potentially take agriculture all 4 years of high school. So we'll go through a survey of our classes. These are 2 of the classes that are open to freshmen. The first is Introduction to Agriculture Science. It's an elective course, even though it has science in the name. It is meant to show a student not only the science involved in agriculture, but also every aspect of the industry, this important industry that we have in our state. And so students will learn about leadership, they'll learn about plant science, animal science, ag mechanics, ag issues, and more. It's really a survey class to help students decide what their area of interest is within agriculture. The other option is on the right, Sustainable Agriculture Biology. And the most common question we get about this class is, does it get the same credit as biology? And the answer is yes. This class receives UC-CSU biology credit, and we focus on hands-on learning, hands-on labs. There is an agriculture emphasis, and so every time we learn something in biology, we will be relating that back to the industry of agriculture. We learn about sustainability and every other unit that is also covered in a biology class. Another part of our program is the Agriculture Mechanics program. On the left is what a new student would take, Introduction to Agriculture Mechanics. Beyond safety, which of course we cover in all courses, we will then go into measurement, tool usage, construction, welding, electricity, plumbing, cold metal work, and woodworking. The difference between that and the next year, or any following years of ag mechanics, are that as students advance in their basic skills, then they can start to create their own individual projects. They can work more on layout and measurement, materials lists. They get into masonry, they learn tractor operation. So they're just continually advancing their skills. Floral design and advanced floral design are advanced courses in our program. So as students get into their sophomore through senior year, they could choose to take these classes. Floral design receives UC-CSU fine art credit entrance requirements, and you can see what would be taught in that class. So there is an emphasis on science because you need some plant science background to understand how to treat plants correctly. On art, because we learn the principles and elements of design, the history of floral design, and then we apply those principles in a hands-on setting. And then business, because in order to really learn about the floral industry, a student also has to learn about making money and doing this in an entrepreneurial fashion. And so therefore we learn about marketing, we spend some time on career preparation, customer service, and then in the advanced course, if a student chooses to take this more than 1 year, in the advanced course, we focus more on those aspects of running a shop and a career, as well as events like weddings, funerals. We do a flower of the month and a plant of the month. Agriculture leadership is open to sophomores through seniors. Students will learn skills they can use for the rest of their lives in public speaking, goal setting, communication, time management, conflict resolution. This is really the course for those students who want to, 1, improve themselves, and 2, play a vital role in the organization of our whole program and FFA chapter. Agriculture business is offered periodically, and it covers communications, marketing and management, team building, economics, and financial life skills. It is an elective course. Both of these are. Another elective course we offer is animal science. And animal science is focused on the production of livestock. And so it is taking everything that a student has learned in previous science classes and then applying it in a business type of situation where people would be raising livestock. So our focus is on hands-on labs, production, livestock and management, animal reproduction, health, nutrition, facilities, care, and handling. On the right is ROP Animal Health, and there's a CVA, Certified Veterinary Assistant certification available through this course. We have so many students who come into our program and they want to become veterinarians. We encourage all of them to take ROP Animal Health before they make that big decision of going to school for 8 or more years to become a veterinarian. They can get hands-on skills. They eventually can work in a veterinary clinic alongside professionals and determine if this is what they really would like to do before they spend a lot of money on their education. So agricultural education throughout the nation is made up of these 3 circles: classroom and laboratory, which we just took a look at. SAE stands for Supervised Agricultural Experience Project. Every student is expected to have a project outside of class that reinforces the concepts that they learn in class. That's kind of like the homework for ag. And then FFA, which is our leadership component of the class. So students will have graded activities in each of these areas. FFA is not extracurricular, it is intracurricular. So it's part of the class, and then students can pursue FFA activities outside of class if they choose to. So we are excited to meet you and see what you'll do as you become Bruins. We would love to welcome you as part of our agriculture department and the Ponderosa FFA family. Just a few agriculture education facts as we're leaving. Although this may be a unique program to you, you may not have a lot of background in it, or you may be an alumni of FFA and agriculture classes yourself. There are 338 schools in California that have agriculture programs. Over 95,000 students in California are enrolled in agriculture classes and are therefore FFA members automatically. There are 735,038 FFA members in the United States this year, and FFA is America's largest youth organization. If you have any more questions or you need further information, please feel free to contact any agriculture teacher. And here are our emails. Of course, we can be reached by phone as well, but email is sometimes the fastest method. We're excited to see you as you become Bruins next year. Thank you.